Sanibonani babukeli bami emakhaya. This is Love Walkers podcast. Of course, this is your host Rebecca Mdeli, podcasting live at Social Garage Mkhathini. This is our very first walk of 2026, and of course, sihlanganisile 8 years way to Love Walkers. Sibuya sithi positive mindset, positive vibes. Hashtag I am possible. Now we get today, so my lawful workers, how were their holidays, and of course, how are they finding their first work of lawful workers in 2026? Njengoba sivule namuhla February mhla 7 if I'm not mistaken. Now nahlala lapho uthini urelax thina sisasayishosholoza yonke le ndlela size siyibeke kuDecember nje. But right now, tune in for the lawful workers members where they're going to tell us about their holidays and of course how excited they are ngekuvula kwe-team. Hashtag don't promise coming. To be a positive mindset, positive vibes nango baby girl. Udasitshela ukuthi ungubani wakabani khona manje. Hello baby. Unjani? Ithini into ungubani wakabani?
Siyanda ngakasiwane.
Ubuyaphi? Siyangitshela mina bewanjani ma holiday njengoba besivalile sizosivule today ngoFebruary.
Mara lokuthi asithi walk.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nokulala awusajwayeli man ukuthi lelanga leli liphuma sengalo field walker.
We understand.
Ngiyajabula ukuthi ngiyosesivude.
Yes.
Sokona ku.
Yes. Nitela loko vele ba challenge. So Sandra Sami Lawful Workers zihlanganisa 8 years. When una how many years in Lawful Workers?
4 years.
Wow, half of it. So how do you feel about Lawful Workers? Yeah, ujabulile.
Jabulile like this year. Jabulile phela la.
What are you looking forward to?
Whatever usekhaya ukuthi like usekhaya kodwa ukuthi like sokubanana no.
So what are you looking forward to lumnyaka lo wa 2026 together with Lawful Workers?
Umnyaka lona ngathi kungafana nomnyaka bephelile.
Yeah.
Everything ihambe yabo.
Smooth.
Yebo kungabi la kulekha khona. Nje kuhlele ku right.
Yeah. Okay, Siyanda, want me together to the hashtag don't promise?
Just comment.
Yeah, boy, and signing out.
Hi.
Hi, Pupat, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. Yourself?
I'm good.
Good.
How do you feel that Lawful Workers is celebrating 8 years
Man,
today?
8 years. The child who was once a child is growing up every day.
Yeah.
We are so excited about today. For us, this means everything. We're happy to see Lawful turn 8. I'm also so happy to be part of the 8 years today. We are wishing Lawful Workers a very beautiful, happy birthday today, and then we wish that we grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. And the future generations and those who are still coming, they must find Lawful that's working. Look, like I said, even last year, I think on my interview, I really wish that Lawful Workers must attract even more people. Those who just hear about us, you know, we want them to be part of the family. We are so happy to see that there were so many new faces today, new hands of those who are joining us for the very first time in the first walk of the year. So we just wish that we keep all of them and they invite the others. So I just want to see the big expansion of the Lawful Workers, yeah.
Okay, thank you. As
Cheers.
hashtag don't promise. Commit.
Commit.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Cheers.
Thank you.
Okay guys, ngiyalongihleti na Alisa lana ku Water Point yabo phela boDinkiliza. Asesiveke Alisa ukuthi yena ongubani wakabani, tshelo kahle babukeli emakhaya ukuthi ungubani wakabani futhi ubuya kuphi. Sando sami njani? Ngiyaphila. Tshela ababukeli bami ukuthi wena ongubani wakabani futhi ubuya kuphi.
Alisa ngakamao. Ngadalela khona la Mpumalanga mara
eKenya. Hi wena. Okay, Sando Sam. So, my holiday bewakuphethe njani? Okay. Enjoyile ne? Njengoba namuhla sivula ku Lawful Workers nje, how happy are you? Very happy ne? So iLawful Workers ihlanganisa 8 years Sando Sam uyifisela ini?
nabantu.
Yeah.
Nalamanye ama-province nama-country.
Yeah. Yes. No, nimvile-ke kude umuntu lokhuluma iqiniso njengemfana uyayifisela i-team ukuthi isaka-ke igcwale yonke indzawo wonke umuntu adingela u-field workers futhi siphinde sibe khona etindaweni ehlukahlukene. Thina we are signing out. It's a hashtag don't promise, commit. Hi, Sasilinda unjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani Sensaklo?
Ngiyaphila. Namuhla si-celebrate 8 years lakalo field workers baze basilethe Nelkhek kunemini Bri. How do you feel?
Ngijabule kakhulu kusho kona ukuthi i-team yethu iyakhula. Phela 8 years shows lo mntwana somkhulu kakhulu. Nathi siyakhula siyajabula kune progress la ekhaya futhi. I believe ukuthi siseya 20 years, 200 years siyakhula njalo ngiyabonga.
Sikhuluma amaqiniso Bruce, honestly. Bawutiva njani njengoba besivalile? Were you happy? Were you sad?
Yo, bengiva buhlungu. First thing, lana kalo field workers ngithola emndeni. Mangita every Saturdays nginibona so inhliziyo yami yakhululeka kakhulu. Kuke nginone njani? Otherwise mangabe bengida ngabe ngisilendanyana but njengoba bengakhona ukuta ngigayinile but ngijabulile ukuthi sesibuyile kakhulu. Maybe sengidoba ngibo size 28 kwaTibani.
Size 26?
Yeah, kwaTibani. Yeah, 13 to 14.
Okay, sisayivula i-walk ethu namuhla kubeka sihamba siwalka. Ufisa ngazuthi i-law field workers inga-achieve ini?
Ilo field workers ngifisa ukuthi sikhule sibe emndeni lomkhulu kundlula nyalo. Since nanyalo vele sibambene. Mara nyalo ngifisa ukuthi ngathi singabambana kakhulu kube nalelo livano. Plus selisuthu lo mnyaka. Uma selisuthu nje ngifuna ukuthi kube naleyo unity yakubona nje sakhe buhlobo lobusha kube kuloko nje.
Okay, then sesivala sithini hashtag don't promise, commit. Hi Puti. Ngiyaphila njani? Utiva njani namuhla njengoba sivula kulo field workers? Inakia. Itsicubeke. Surely bova buhlungu ukuthi sivalile ne? So ilo field workers ihlanganisa 8 years ke sehlanganisile rather ufila njani ngaloko? Yeah. 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 Yes. Baba mchocho. Yeah. Yeah. So do you have any goal uze uwalke or uwalka njengoba uyayithanza le team?
No. Ikoli ukuthi ngafule stress.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ngafule stress. Nekwehlisa le epic.
Yeah, ayifuneki man. Yeah, wrong. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. In 3 weeks' time, I guarantee you'll be eating. We didn't get your name, my brother. What's your name? Uhlala kuphi? Silubula dledle sakalubamba. Asibonge. Hi, sasinomvuyo njani?
Hi, Sensaklo, ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Utiva njani namuhla njengoba si-celebrate 8 years lakalo field workers size-Nelkhek kunemini Branyana. How do you feel?
Actions speak louder than words. Overwhelmed. I'm so happy. John 16, baranyalo bengisayina ama-jokes ukuthi yathi kuthi benginikhumbule njani already. Saying right, the way these people are so loving, they're so welcoming. Like, the interaction, so they've always been like that. I love it so much, yeah.
You're so honest, ne? Njengoba besivalile bawutiva njani? Bawujabulile? Sad?
No, kumnandi ukuthi uphumule because I have a duty like a good field workers as a brand ambassador and head wholesomeness. So masiphumula, it's like you go for a break. Everyone needs a break. The body itself tells you, you know what, you need to take a break. Bengijabule ukuthi ngiyaphumula, however bengakajabula ukuthi ngishiya umndeni wami. Yakubo sonyalo ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi sigcine ithile kumnanzi. Sicoya la sigcine khona. Yilo kumnanzi kakhulu shodla. Namhla silala khekhe nenyama njengoba celebrate 8 years in existence. So yeah, we're so happy.
Okay, uyifisela ini ilo field workers saqhubeka sihamba ngithi nga-achieve ini?
Ifisela ukuthi ikhule indlondlobale sihlale sihlangene unit kune Tanzania kube nokubambisana like it has always been. Ngifisa ukuthi nje tonke izinto letihle we must blossom. Uyakubona konke lokuhle sibe innovative nabantu nama-ideas awalethe because that's how it grows. Uyakubona and then Mr. Mashaba, anything that you bring to his table he doesn't below but in belittle your anything. He takes it, he makes sense of it and then sayisebenzisa. So anyone lonako lokudla kucabangako ukuthi singakhula njani, it's always welcome and yes, forward we go. The promise commit.
Sesivala sesini #don'tpromise commit. Sanibonani. Ninjani? Nitiva njani njengoba iLoveField Rockers ihlanganisa 8 years namuhla?
8 years of grace, 8 years of grace.
This Nelly Keke. Yes. Yes. Summer body what? Kim Kardashian what? Yes. Okay. Okay. Hi, Sisihle njani?
Hi Ntsaki, unjani?
Ngiyaphila nami. Utiva njani njengoba sibuyele la kaLoveField Rockers namuhla celebrate 8 years?
Ngitiva kamnandi. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say that, but I'm very happy. Sibuyile, sitektorinda lesidime ngako, sitektorigcwala umgwaqo, sitektorhlobisa imigwaqo yasena sport. You know that story.
Mawukhuluma iqiniso, brutal honesty. Masivalile. Utiva njani? Were you sad? Ukuthi I'm no longer seeing my family anymore?
I wasn't really sad, but there was a part of me that misses this.
Okay.
Nje benginako lokho asengiphumule because once yasuka yahlala angeke ngize ngibe right.
Isukile ke manje.
Isukile ke manje.
Ama-kilometer.
Yeah, we are kicking.
Okay, sisaqala iwalk yethu namuhla. What are you looking forward to kulo mnyaka? Yini lesingayitshintsha?
A lot is going to happen. I have a big feeling about that. Yes, it's Team Itowanza. We are going places. I'm looking forward to our very big walk. We are crossing borders. You know what?
Yes.
Yes, and to more sponsors, to more money for the team. Like, we are going places. And I want us worldwide.
Alright. Let's just looking for like #don'tpromise
Comment.
Hello. Hi, sis Elsie.
Hi, Toki.
Unjani? Utiva njani njengoba iLoveField Rockers celebrate 8 years namuhla?
Super excited.
Yes.
I've been waiting for so long. Wondering when are we coming back.
Yes. So
Today I'm so happy.
shokuthi njengoba sihamba buva buhlungu sisivale.
Wena bengisingiyazama mara ngahlula kancedwayo. So lokho sesibuyile sekungcono.
Okay.
Sekuze kumnandi kabi.
Njengoba iLoveField Rockers iqhubeka iwalk every Saturday, ufuna ukuthi si-achieve ini kulo mnyaka?
Kulo mnyaka ngifuna ukuthi sehle kakhulu emtimbeni. Commit.
Yes.
Singalovi nje without any reason.
Yeah.
To keep the train going.
Yes. Okay, so sivala sithini #don'tpromise. Hi, Sistebu.
Hi, McDarling.
Unjani?
We are back. Mini bride. Mini bride. Little cake. Wala ngima fruits. Bathi singavuka ekuseni. Siyovuka vele. Sila. Wena sidla cake onke malanga sila. Siyodla mngani. Kunini sikhumbulile. Ayenza bekubula February vele ngathi ayisebenzele. Ufuna ukuthi sibukise kahle. Maybe ngeti 15. Yeah.
Lapha nabavula umsebenzi nakuya.
Sasisavuya yabo. Ngizama ukuthi sihlala until February.
Stoyilungisa next year.
Nakuthi sibone.
Okay, so Tebu njengoba siqhubeka siwakho ufuna ukuthi la sizokha si-achieve ini lo mnyaka.
We must win more people. We need more souls to come and join us. Sibatobona ukuthi kahle kahle lento lesiyendako senda ini and ihealth kangakanani. Inema benefits vele lento lesiyendako. So lento sifuna ukuthi siyende ukuthi siwine more souls.
Actually nama-sponsors la.
Nama-sponsor. Yes, when we win ngala. Uyakubona? Yes, my dog.
Yes.
Yeah.
Njengoba sivela sisini #don't promise.
This is Lawful Locust Podcast, and this is your girl Umzaki Dlamini and Rebecca Mdluli signing out. Yes, we're back like all baby. This Saturday we're gonna be at Valencia Orchard Spa. 5:20, my aerobics at 5:30. The walk is officially starting. It's red and white. Don't forget to bring and share. It can be roses, it can be sweets, it can be Ferrero Rocher, it can be proposal Conalapo. This year's Weekend slogan list is just says #positive mindset, #positive vibes, #I am possible. Yes, you are possible. Makhohlwa, don't be late Saturday. Mwah.
Noma kutheni ngisho noma njani ngeke ungijikele ngicela ukuthi nakuwe dali noma kutheni ngisho noma njani